If you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, then what you need to do is, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down until you find General Management. And then over here in General Management, we need to go to Samsung Keyboard Settings or Keyboard and Samsung Keyboard. This is how we can go to Keyboard Settings. Unfortunately, we don't have much options that are related to the keyboard theme. If you want to change it, you can go to Theme over here, where we have light, solid, dark, and solid dark. So as you can see, not much options. But besides that, we can also go to high contrast keyboard, which can also be used to have this custom theme, although not much options as well. So unfortunately, this is everything that we can do with the keyboard theme with the standard Samsung keyboard. If you want to find more options, then you can download, for example, the Google keyboard known as the Gboard. If you go to the Play Store, you can simply search for Gboard over here. There we go. And you should be able to find the Gboard, the Google keyboard. And this one allows you to actually customize it even more. So let's wait for the keyboard to be installed. Let's open it. We need to tap Enable in Settings. So let's tap on the switcher next to Gboard and press OK. Now we can go back. Now tap on Select Input Method, and over here we need to switch to Gboard, and then press Done. And we will immediately go to Settings of this keyboard so we can open Theme. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different themes that we can use. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Let's download this one. We can toggle key borders, and let's press Apply. And there we go. This keyboard will be used now as default, by default I mean. And you can even create your own theme if you want to. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.